Welcome to DJI Neo tutorial video. This video will show you how to replace the propellers and propeller guards on DJI Neo. Make sure to power off DJI Neo before removing the propeller guards. Removing the propeller guards. Hold the propeller guard and apply slight force with your finger to release the hooks on the propeller guards. Push the propeller guard from the center. Remove the other propeller guard in the same way. Replacing the propellers. Any propeller that is damaged or deformed should be replaced. Use the screwdriver in the box of DJI Neo to loosen the screws and remove the propellers from the motors. There are two types of spare propellers, which are designed to rotate in different directions. Make sure to match the propellers and motors by following the instructions. Install the marked propellers onto the motors of the marked frame arms, and then the unmarked propellers onto the motors of the unmarked frame arms. Align the hole in the center of the propeller with the motor shaft and insert it. Holding the motor or the propeller with one hand, tighten the screws with the screwdriver. Make sure that the propellers are properly installed. Installing the propeller guards. Push the propeller guard toward the body of DJI Neo until the middle hook snaps into position. Secure the other 4 hooks by pushing them into the holes on DJI Neo frame.